All right, so we're going to make some brushes in Photoshop. Pretty easy process. I'm going to click on Create New, 8.5 by 11, 300 DPI, perfect. My interface may look a little bit more different than yours. I've got the most recent update, which should be coming to your machine soon. So we have a blank page. We can start out with a brush tool. We can choose the type of brush. We know all this. But the goal of this exercise is to create a new brush. And so I can repeat shapes or lines. I can add shapes and lines together in different ways. And so by doing this, then I'm going to actually create that new brush pattern. Now I have no idea what this looks like. I can also come back in the middle of the process and add some lines to it. Then what I can do, I'm going to take and I'm going to outline this with my lasso tool. So it's now selected. And this is where we're going to go to the Edit menu, go down to Define Brush Preset. I'll call this Test 1, and we'll click OK. And now, here's the important part. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to remove the selection. Otherwise, if I tried the brush, I'd be like, wait a minute, this brush isn't working. So right now, if I just click it once, it's a stamp. If I drag it, you can see the repetition of that. So now if I come into the brush attribute menu, this is where I can start to make adjustments to that brush. I can compress that brush. I can adjust the angle I want that brush to draw at. Obviously, the spacing, you know, I can click all these other things and I can try to see what this does. And so you can start to play with it. Again, very simple, very basic in a sense, I guess. We'll convert this. Whoa, didn't mean to do that. Unlock that. There we go. Now I'm going to take and do this. Click the, oh, didn't want to do that. I guess we'll just Command and Z for it. So you can see the process, and I'll go through this one more time real fast for you. Clean canvas. I'm going to go to the paint brushes. If there's a brush that already exists also that you really like, you know, you might like some of these shapes or blobs and things. That's a smudge brush, that's why. Let's try this. There we go. Again, before you commit, you may want to, you know, explore a little bit, you know, what makes up that brush pattern, what makes it work well, what makes it not work well. So here I have just laid down some values. Now I'm going to shrink that brush a little bit and make it a little larger. There we go. I'm also going to come in and play with the opacity of it now. And I'm going to just kind of stack the areas of that brush. And then back here, let's try to create sort of a tail, and we'll see what this brush shape does. And again, I'm going to add this lighter area out here to the sides, and now I'm going to take this opacity and bring it back again, and very faint. Not going to get it everywhere. but I want that little bit of randomness. And as a human, we try to think randomly, which means we put things in patterns. So you have to be cautious. Next step, I'm going to circle the brush with my lasso, edit in the Photoshop commands. We're going to go down to define brush preset, sample brush. We're going to call this test 2 and click OK. Here's our brush. It's gigantic. So now we can, there I did it. You got to remove that lasso tool or else you won't be able to draw outside of it. Now I can go back in and I can start to try this brush. I'm going to increase the size some. So you can see it's a very faint brush, but I also have the opacity on. So let's make it a little bit larger now. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of color to it. We can see what it looks like with color. And so again, depending on what your task is, what you're trying to use that brush for, play around, experiment with these. You can also go on to Google and look up paintbrush marks, look up images. Depending where you look, here's an image. So if we go open image, a new tab, here's 20 brush strokes, file, save image as 20 brush strokes JPEG. Okay, now it should be just as simple to close this, don't save. We're going to go open, and we're going to desktop. And if you've updated, you'll notice that the computer's asking you if you want to give access to a lot of things. So just be aware of that. We're going to click open. Give it a minute. We're 2 minutes. There we go. All right, so now if we take this lasso tool and I'm going to draw around brush strokes I like. So let's start with this one. We're going to go to edit, define brush preset, test 3, and hit OK. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go file, new. We'll just create that one. And there's the brush stroke. So again, it works as a stamp. I can change the size of it. I can manipulate the opacity. I can do all those things. But again, it gives me more natural looking brushes for lighter and darker values. And so we can layer those. And these are at 49% opacity. There's full opacity. And so that's how you make a brush.